When we talk about shipping, one of the most crucial concepts to understand is homogeneous loading, or even weight distribution. Imagine a ship as a giant floating platform. If the weight on that platform is unevenly distributed, it can lead to serious problems. Homogeneous loading ensures that the weight is spread out evenly across the vessel, which is vital for maintaining stability and safety during transit. So, what happens when loading is improper? Picture this: a ship loaded heavily on one side. As it sails, the uneven weight can cause it to list or tilt, which not only affects its handling, but can also lead to capsizing in extreme cases. This isn't just a theoretical risk. There have been real incidents where improper loading has resulted in catastrophic losses, both in terms of cargo and human life. Now, let's dive into how weight is distributed during loading. It's not just about throwing boxes onto a ship and hoping for the best. Load density plays a significant role here. Different materials have different densities, and understanding this helps in planning how to stack and arrange cargo. For example, heavy items should be placed lower in the hold to lower the center of gravity, while lighter items can be stacked higher. This strategic placement helps maintain balance and reduces stress on the ship's structure. Speaking of stress, let's talk about shear forces. When weight is uneven, it creates shear stress on the ship's hull. This stress can lead to structural damage over time, compromising the integrity of the vessel. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential, but they can only do so much if the loading practices aren't up to par. The benefits of homogeneous loading extend beyond just safety. When weight is evenly distributed, the ship can navigate more efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and lowering operational costs. This means that not only are we protecting the ship and its cargo, but we're also making shipping more sustainable and cost-effective. In conclusion, understanding and implementing homogeneous loading is not just a best practice. It's a necessity in the shipping industry. It protects the vessel, the cargo, and the crew. So, whether you're a shipper, a logistics manager, or someone interested in maritime operations, take this knowledge to heart. Prioritize proper loading techniques and advocate for best practices in your operations. The safety of everyone involved depends on it.